Hello YouTubers, I want to show you this new gadget that I purchased. This receptacle and two USB ports to charge your electronic gadgets like iPhone, iPads, tablets and different equipment that requires a USB 5-volt port. So instead of using your power adapter, you can plug your USB cable right here, and that will eliminate all the wires and the necessity to have different power adapters for different phones and tablets. So these packs come together too in one package. It is made by, I don't know by who, but the most important thing is to check for this logo, Intertech. Intertech is a laboratory that is testing all the electronic devices that are imported to Canada and US, and they will guarantee you that this device will not cause any fire, any electrical shock to you if you are using it. Means it will ensure the safety of the device. Okay, so this one is imported by Costco. Okay, it's by Costco Canada, but we don't know. No, we know it is made by probably Chinese company. It's called D-Net. You can see the logo here, not very clear. This is the logo. It's D-Net. So this is the manufacturer. It's patent pending, made in China. So what I will try to do is install this device in here. So here I have a new installation. I have my neutral, I have my live wire and my ground wire. So before I do anything with those wires, I will check the voltage between live and neutral, showing 0, between live and ground, showing 0. So it is safe to work on these wires, because I turned off the breaker for this line, but still it's better to check with your electrical tester if there is any power in them. Okay, so let's open this package. Hopefully it's not so difficult. That's what you get. So here you will see again Intertech logo. Okay, so it's good. You have a silver screw here. Now if you notice, we have a copper screw or yellowish color and a silver screw and a green screw. So green is ground, the copper is the live, means the black wire goes here, silver screw white is neutral. Okay. So we have only three connections, and this is our black, white and green. I am using a very handy tool to strip the wires, Mueller. I recommend to everybody. There is a setting for the wire depth and the stripping length of the wire. Okay. You have here a setting. It's a very precise and heavy duty tool. There is a cutter in here. Okay, we are almost done. I'll go power it up and we'll see. Okay, after power up, you see the green light, so it's okay. Now I will plug in my charger. It's a standard USB charger, not the charger, the cable. And this is my Android phone, and we'll see here the charging battery. See, okay, so it's charging. Okay, I will unplug. No battery. I'll plug in the other opening. It's charging. So this plug is working fine, and yeah, I will put couple in my house, in the kitchen, in the bedroom. It will be easy to charge all my devices, and we don't need to look for the chargers everywhere. Okay, that was my video, and see you. Please subscribe. I have a couple of new ideas coming with new videos, and you will see them. Bye bye.